Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. If you want to download Adobe Lightroom on your PC, if you want to download like Adobe Lightroom into your PC, first come on your Google browser, come on your Google browser and search Lightroom. Lightroom. But before anything, let me tell you, Lightroom, all the Adobe things, Adobe apps are being run by Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud. If you want to download it for free, you will be asked to download Adobe Lightroom. So you can either download Adobe Lightroom or download Lightroom, then later download Adobe Lightroom. So first of all, on our side, we will come and download Adobe Lightroom. We will come to Adobe Lightroom. Then here we have for Windows or Mac. So you will choose the one you want to download. So for Windows, I already have it. Then after that, after you are downloading it, come and do what? Search Adobe Creative Cloud. Come and search Adobe Creative Cloud. Sign in Adobe Creative Cloud. I'm in Africa as we are speaking, so accept I'm in Africa. Then come and sign in. Come and sign in. So Adobe Lightroom, you can sign in if you already have Adobe Lightroom account, or you can create account. Creating account in Adobe Lightroom is very easy. And for you to have all the Adobe that you may need, come and create Adobe. Create by just signing your name, signing your email. Sign in. After signing in, go to the download where the Adobe Lightroom have downloaded itself, then install. By installing, just right click, then run as an administrator. Right click, then run it as administrator. Accept the terms which are there, then accept the terms. After accepting the terms, then allow Adobe Lightroom to run smoothly. Open it.